Good morning, it's Friday. Are you guys ready to spend the weekend with me? Come along and let's see what we do. I'm about to get up to go carry my nephew to school. So that's gonna be the first movement. So let's get out of here because yeah, I'm already late. Bruh, you're at school. Asab, we reach. Asab, it's time to go to school. We reach at school. Come. Oh, you just think we run on your time. Whenever you go and ready and dandy, then we gonna leave the car. Hello? It's the not being phased for me. Yeah, I'm talking to you. This boy.
The way she moved that body, I swear I never seen nobody. Get that you want to party, baby, won't you come my way? The way she moved that body, get that you want to party. Swear I never seen nobody, maybe up until this day. Beautiful girl, my goddess. The way she built the shawty, but she closed the fortress.
It's on.
I know it's on, but is it showing me good?
No, you look dusty.
Okay. So hey guys, we're gonna go to Jump Up. So Jump Up is basically like a mini fair. You know, there's food, music, and just like people selling like arts and crafts and selling food and selling cultural beverages and stuff like that. And it's like a road party. All the roads are closed down and it's in the city by the boardwalk type of vibe. And you see the Makajumbis. So the Makajumbis is basically like they're supposed to ward off evil spirits. So it's real nice. So come along with me and we're gonna see what we see. Usually it starts at 6 o'clock. Right now it's 7 o'clock. Every time I go it's always like 9 o'clock. So I always go into the end. I never got to see like the beginning and stuff like that. So I really wanna get early so I could be a part of the festivities and show you guys the festivities. So let's go.
Get it bouncing, yeah. Look at her style from the street. Look at her style from the ghetto. This I will never make it big. Me, I tell them say I don't know. Look at me style from the street. Look at me starting from the ghetto. They say I will never make it big. Me, I tell them say, oh.
I get my food, so we go to go and eat because I'm hungry. Chops up. Okay. This is pate. Give me her. Give me her. What's that? What's that? What's that? Digging deep. Gonna get fried bread.
With
the Calvary tree, me I pray. Me telling God everything me I need. Me I tell the God make they bless me still. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cause if I no get all these people go laugh at me. All these people go use me play. Make God they bless me and my family. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Aye. Nobody if you be somebody. Somebody if you be nobody.
Okay. So we just sitting here relaxing. We waited for my cousin. We didn't walk on the next side. We just walked where you see us went across the boardwalk, and then we came here and just sit down. Over here don't really have much people. It's really very quiet. Most of the festivities are inside the town itself, within the buildings. So, but she wanted to eat, so we just came to eat, and we're here, and right across is Hotel on the Key. Hotel on the Key. It's K where I'm relax and enjoy the scenery of Hotel on the Key. I'm sorry. Hotel on the Key.
So they're right?
Yeah. No, we don't go a long time. We don't come in bed, girl.
Really?
No, really.
Tell me how you're supposed to come down. There you are. I thought you were in the middle of the foot.
What? Yeah, you there?
So you and all is crazy.
No, because you said middle of the foot. So we'll look away.
I didn't see anything.
And look over.
People. 10 out of 10. Give an area. Like, subscribe, and click the notification bell.
You heard it. You heard it here first.
Another banger. Make a call, make a bomb, 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 make a call, make a keep a deep bomb, 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 your body, kakara, make a bomb, 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 on a make it. Kilo fat, I'm a dead chugga de, fine, oh, bugger de, watch your love for like it, why not more than, your body, chakare, bush it ready, yeah, imade, double zile, kilo fat, why now, my lady, tell me what's in there, body, I'm a damn easy, baby, and you want gon' give me control, even want to get out.
Tamarind juice.
Yes. Refreshing.
I'ma make up my you. I'ma need your gun, I go my I'ma need your gun, maybe.
Everything's finishing, everything ending, everything is wrapping up. And I'm gonna wrap up in my car and then wrap up in my bag. It's a wrap. It's a wrap.
Party with Cardi. Party in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body. Shining all over my body. Cardi got that so money. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Drop in a lane. Drop the brain. I'm insane.
Hey guys, it's Saturday morning and actually it's like 1 o'clock now, matter of fact. So we're gonna go to the beach today and just chill. I'm gonna meet my cousin and her husband. And we're just gonna go and just enjoy the day. It's a hot day, so we're gonna go to one of my favorite beaches. Yes, in Little Bay. So let's go. I'm already late. I hate to go to the beach late. I don't like to go 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. A lot of people like to do that, but I like to go to the beach like 10, 11, 12. So, but it's still early and the sun is like definitely busting through the clouds. Busting, okay? Through the atmosphere. So, see you there. Matter of fact, beat me there. Okay, y'all, we reached to the beach. We reached to the beach. We have to stop to get something to drink and eat. Like, it's too hot. My cousin and them reach already. We here at the beach, guys. Look at this beautiful, gorgeous beach. Like, it just can't get better than this. It cannot get better than this.
You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need to go and shadow. 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 I did what I got when them kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right.
Just chilling. It's crazy, I promise.
I promise you they are.
We stay this way. This is what keeps us happy. People don't like this. It's like the, and I can never
Bye.
You cannot talk. I can't deal. Even somebody who's nice, if they can't communicate properly, it's just like it becomes an issue because there's things you need to actually understand about the person you're with. Right. Because the things you have to communicate about are too important not to communicate about. You don't have to go through the same issues and challenges. Like, it's gonna be the same thing.
And they're gonna be worse because I am very nice. It's gonna be worse because I could see things, but I won't even speak on it to belittle you. You right? I will just low key help you with certain things, you know, to kind of push you up and you know, work with you. But other chicks on here, they don't play that shit. They'll call you out on your brokenness.
Them old girls,
They don't play.
Girls,
So I said, okay, well, that's what they're used to. So go get that.
Like, that's some weak shit. Like, that's just madness because I don't know how to deal with your own emotions.
Childish because you can't. Up to now, your big self don't know yourself and don't know how to control your emotions and channel your emotions and just like be normal. You still have to act like you are throwing a tantrum. Like, come on.
That's what I'm saying. It's just like, who throws tantrums anymore? You know what I mean? I'd be looking at anybody. I'd be like, because I'd be like, I'm not having a conversation with anybody trying to yell and carry on.
I know.
And all of that looking like you's a mangy dog. Like, I'm not doing that. I would never ever get on that way with anybody. But like, if you want to still carry on like by yourself, like there's some people who love to hear themselves cuss. Like you're cussing to themselves by themselves. Even though the person done gone sleep, they still cussing. I'll be like, yeah, I'll be the person that goes sleep and won't hear you in my sleep. Because that's craziness. That right there has always been mental to me. Like, you are mental. Like, if you believe that you're going to shift the world perspective and the access, because you carrying on like that.
Like that gonna
Crazy.
solve something.
That ain't gonna solve nothing, Virgin. It never has and never will. I've always seen that.
Last night, now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye bye yo, to the love of my life. My ayo, don't cry yo. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow.
Beautiful clear waters, like come on. I said that with her. Under the sea. Wish you could be part of this world.
Eye contact.
And we have Sebastian. And Ursula. Alicia. How dare you? Okay. Oh, you could fake it. You could fake it. Look what
I tried to do this for your camera life.
my camera.
Like if you want a
Let me
job,
do some little swimming, huh?
no, if you want a job, go talk with her.
I know, right?
If you want to be director. Playing director, con man.
Yeah, con artist.
Con artist.
Shadow, but it's like.
Alright.
I know they blow trees, so you know you know. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I get lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.
Okay, you guys, so we're home. Yeah, so we're home and just came from the beach. It was so nice to just vibe and relax with my cousins and just chill. My cousin invited me to like a gala type vibe for a club that she's in. So that'll be tonight. I'm gonna get ready and we'll be back here when we all dressed and prepped. See you when I see you. So we're about to go inside the botanical gardens ball.
So they call it.
They don't gotta know. So hey guys, I'm back home. It was nice. It was very chill. So I have fun with my cousin. It was nice. So now I'm back home. I'm just gonna go hop in the shower. I'm gonna throw on some Netflix and I'm gonna call it a night until I fall asleep. So yeah, that's me. Hey, what's up guys? It is like 3:30 in the afternoon and I'm on my way to pick up my mom. This morning I was just cleaning. I've decided I'm gonna renovate my cute little tiny apartment, and yeah, I was just starting some basic stuff, cleaning up and stuff like that. I'm on my way to pick up my mom from the airport, and my sister asked me if I want to go to the beach. Like what? At like 5:30 or something like that, because she's coming in. She's coming here at 5 o'clock. She wants me to go to the beach after 5:30. I don't know. Lucky, mother is here. Listen, story to tell. Oh God. Stories.
Ooh.
Aloha, oi. Come from the slave ships. We buy her yesterday.
1,000 shekels.
a thousand shekels. Hey guys, so we reached the end of the video. Last night we were supposed to go dinner, but we didn't went. But it was okay. So yeah, we just went home. I just went home. I did some workouts, you know. I'm on a fitness journey. I'm gonna document a little bit of that too, you know. And see, right now I am wearing some type of skinny wrap, toning cream type of vibe, I don't know exactly how to get a wrapper for you to read it. My sister gave it to me. She had a couple of them, she gave it to me. So I'm gonna try them out and see what happens while I work out. I'm trying to change my eating habits, you know, little by little. I'm not going just jump into a whole bunch of things and then I can't be consistent. So I'm little by little, I doing my stuff and I'm already seeing results. Not from the skinny wrap, from me changing my diet a little bit and actually being consistent with my workouts. So, but yes, thank you for watching and I'm excited to do more videos. And if you like the video and you know interested to know more about me, to see what I have to offer, don't be afraid to like it and subscribe. You know, thank you so much though if you reach all the way to the end. I hope you was entertained. I hope that it was fun for you as much as it was fun for me to watch. But yeah, that's it. Till later. Bye.